welcome to Lund University and this beautiful and historic building setting, the old Bishop's House here in Lund, and a fitting place for an inauguration, wouldn't you say? This house was designed in 1840 by one of the most colorful academic personas in Lund, Carl Georg Brunius. He was many things at once. He was a Greek professor here at Lund University, and he was later the vice chancellor at the same university. But he was also a self-taught architect and an art historian. And he left a lasting mark here in Lund in the city's architecture. And he was the driving force and supervised the remodeling and restoration of the Lund Cathedral, which you can't see today because another architect then redid it. As a young man, he was trained not only in classical languages, but he was also in practical crafts like brick burning and masonry, which you can see in his architecture. So it feels appropriate that we are gathered here today to inaugurate SESAC. Just as Brunius, he moved freely between disciplines, between philosophy, archaeology, architecture, and history. And today's research communities thrive when they cross boundaries. So it feels very fitting to be here today. And I want to welcome Ola. If you want to say, people who don't know you yet.
I'm Ola.
Very good. Moving on.
So
yes.
Yeah. So I've been PIing this application to the spaceport, and now is trying to herd all the cats that we have in the group. I will talk a little bit more about that later on.
Absolutely. Ola, what are your hopes and aspirations for this day? What do you feel when you see this beautiful crowd?
I feel hope.
Yeah.
Yeah. And there's a reason why you are invited here today. And that is, of course, we want to connect with you. We want to talk to you how we can work together, do things together, innovate together, and have a bit of fun together over the coming years.
Fantastic. I'm standing here with Agnes. Do you want to say a few words? Do you want to start things off? And I know you just want to say a few words. And for those of us who don't know you, or everybody knows you, maybe.
I'm Agnes.
That's the easiest way today. I'm Agnes, or I'm Ola. And for those of you who come up and say I'm Agnes or Ola, we don't know you. That's right. So please welcome Agnes Andersson. Give her a warm hand.
So, well, I'm many things except for no. I'm also the Dean of the Faculty of Social Sciences. So I think that's in that capacity I'm here today, not just as Ola's longtime friend and colleague. So we come actually from the same department. I have very few practical skills, so I think it's a good thing that Brunius was in charge of this house and not me. And I only, and I've been given a couple of minutes, which is also a good thing, I think. So I'm the Dean of the Faculty of Social Sciences. We are very delighted to be here today at the inauguration of this center, which has a very nice acronym, but a very long and complicated name. So the Swedish Competence Centre for Satellite-Enabled Social Science Analytics, SESAC. And it's a national platform, and it speaks very well to our aspirations to build the social science faculty as a center and hub for methods, development of social science methods. So this is a very nice component in that development. And we are, of course, especially delighted that the National Space Agency has entrusted us to be hosting this national competence center. So I'd like to extend a warm welcome to the representatives of the National Space Agency, and also a warm congratulations to everyone that has been involved in this center. And I think Ola deserves a hand. So
yes.